This might be a concrete slab, or it might have a crawl space, or it might have a basement. It doesn't matter at this point. So I'm going to just randomly select a location. Let's say that they have community sewers, so I want to put my building drain in the front of the house. I will start outside of the outside wall, and I will start at the lowest point on the DWV system, and I will click on DWV up here in the draw box. So this is the end of my building drain, and I'm just going to move it while holding the left mouse button down. I'm just going to move the mouse up into the building, and I'm just going to release it. It doesn't matter where I leave it, because I can change that. I can edit any of this stuff. Now, as soon as I release the mouse button, I have to give the program a key piece of information. The program needs to know how deep in the ground do I want to put this pipe. And of course, that's going to depend upon site conditions and the height of the first floor. So let's just assume that I have a slab house, which is a concrete slab, and I've been out to the site and I've determined that in order to get below ground, I need to be 18 inches below the first floor. So all I have to do here is type 18 in the box and click OK. Okay, now I just told the program that I want this building drain 18 inches below the first floor in the ground. That's how deep I want it. Okay. Now from there, I can go ahead and begin connecting my fixtures. Now to connect a fixture to a building drain or a branch of the building drain, all you have to do is press the left mouse button down anywhere on the fixture. So I'm going to move my mouse pointer over the water closet. I'm going to press down the mouse button, and I'm going to drag a pipe from the fixture over to the pipe that I want to connect. And when I've got it close enough to make a connection, you'll notice that it will turn red.
Mr. Poole?
Yes,
We have that same dilemma. I think from time to time when we do this, and it's always good for you to kind of let them know how they can do this. Apparently, when we started out, it was no fault of theirs. Of course, they were barely learning about how to draw lines and how the software works. But I remember this happening last year. We had some folks that were drawing lines, and then they went, oh, darn, I wasn't drawing a wall, I was drawing a pipe. And so they went in there and they started deleting it, but it turned out that they didn't delete all the lines.
Oh, okay, that's easy to fix. Yeah, I remember that happening before. That's not a problem. Okay, all we do is we go up to the very top, and where it says Edit, come down to Delete, and then down to DWV Pipes. And click on that, and it says, are you sure you want to delete all pipes? Click yes, and you'll see my building drain disappeared. Did that work out?
Yes, sir, it did. We got a result.
Great. Okay, that's good. We'll start back near the bottom.